How's your experience so far in here in the MOA Ice Rink?
Very interesting.
Oh really? Oh really?
Yes.
How come?
Very good. Cold.
Okay, fit check, fit check. Fit check. Yeah, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. My bad, my bad. Okay, interesting. Nasa na si Snow? Nasa si Snow? This is me before I skate. Joke lang. Okay guys, papakita ko na yung skills ko. Is it good? I don't think so. Okay, girl. Bakit po mag-Gjo ni JM Costa? may kamukha siya.
Go! Go! Dali! Yung T! Hindi ko kaya yan pag ako nabangga. Lalo na yung umiikot na balon.
How do you feel right now? Nakaikot ka na.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Ano?
Inabang na ako.
Proud ako.
So guys, tapos na po kami mag-skating! Okay. Mr. Pogi. Wow. Ay, tigil oh. Tigil oh. So, kamusta experience mo sa ice skating? Ikaw muna. Ano ba yan? Ayun!
Okay.
Ikaw naman, Mr. Pogi the second.
Masaya.
Parang masaya.
Hahaha.
Interview someone. Hi, Kuya Pogi. What's your name?
How do you know my name?
Pogi? OMG!
What?
Ay, what? Cordy. I have $1. Take it or double it and pass to the next person.
Pass to the next person. That's mine.
Hi, what's your name? Gladys? Wow, what a nice name. What's your type? Chinito, Moreno, or Mestizo?
Chinito.
Chinito daw? Ah! How come?
Jowa ko kasi Chinito eh.
Ay! What's your, ideal man?
Jowa ko, syempre.
Good luck to your journey. Medyo mahaba yung pila. So, bye!
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.